Think it as a left to right concept. We look at problem statement, what is the analytics required for it, what are the ML, AI algorithms required for it, what are the reporting structures required for it, what are the insights, analysis required for it. So we have a dedicated team which helps our customers build that. Move towards slightly towards the left where how is this data stored. So there are two viewpoints on it. A single source of truth has in storage of data and single view of truth, that is how do you consume this data. And the very good part of Altimetrik as an organization is we are platform agnostic. How did we come to a level where we build this expertise is to define patterns in the system. We have built accelerators around these patterns so that it is easy for us to deploy it or use it in any type of infrastructure that is in place. One of the very challenging projects that we have done in the data space was for a very large pharmaceutical company. This company is like 100-year-old. They have data in multiple systems. They have multiple data marts. And the vision was to create this golden standard of data platform. So the first stage was to build this framework. How should this company follow the data pipeline? How should the data be stored? What is the definition of a single source of truth? What are the data quality measures and the data management measures to be put in place? So we built this framework, we defined it as an enterprise level data platform approach for this organization. And then that was the phase 0, I would say. Phase 1 was to then create adoption for this platform or framework as we speak. This was challenging because type of data sets were very unique, very old. We had to do a lot of data modeling exercise to standardize this the pipeline and the storage. We have come to a point of maturity in the data world where we are hitting a plateau. Today we are about 23,000 companies which are dedicated on providing data solutions, but we are still seeing data problems. The basic aspect of your data platform needs to be thought through. Defining the core aspects of your database is very critical. The other big change in future is how we solve real problems of people. We have gone to a point where we start seeing how do we help a normal human being live better. The data is moving to that. It's moving more towards the human aspect of evolution in its own sense. We are talking about robotics assisted human living. Slightly controversial, but something to look forward in future. Basics is going to be very important. How a data modeling works, how a database works, how a data moves, and why is it important in the context of the business is going to be much more important than the algorithm which is going to run on it. Please make your basics very, very strong so that any new technology can be easily adopted by yourself.